Okay, I'm gonna face this. We all have fears, right? Some of them are completely ridiculous and stupid. That's what we're dealing with today. I can't handle small, quick-moving animals like chipmunks, squirrels, rodents, frogs, lizards, birds. I don't know. Some people are afraid of the dark. Some people are afraid of heights. It's just something in your brain. Can't do it. Can't do it. Why the hell are we talking about this today? Because there's a goddamn bird upstairs right now. Yeah. Like, I mean, I'll be the first one to make fun of myself on this situation. It's absolutely ridiculous. I get it. Oh man, I'm such a scaredy cat. It's like the elephant and the mouse type situation. I'm not afraid it's gonna like fly at my nose or anything like that, but I don't know, man. I can't explain it. It's just there. So yes, currently, I mean, I don't even know what it is. Sounds small, but I hear it chirping. I did hear it chirping, and then that makes me even more nervous. Like, where the hell is it now? Is it gone? Is it here? I don't know, man. So, yeah, currently, probably some little small-ass bird is keeping a 275-pound man spooked a little bit right now. I don't know. I do know that there's no way in hell I'm going upstairs right now. But I feel that I have to. But, whew, I'm gonna take some baby steps on this one. I mean, it got in here, right? So, it'll just naturally leave. Like, it doesn't want to be here. Oh, shit. This is like haunted house shit for me right now. This is spooky. Yeah, certainly still up there. Okay, this is stupid. This is dumb. I'm doing it. I'm going up there. I hear it up there. It's still here. It's chirping. It's hitting shit. Oh my God. I'm going up there. Oh shit. It's like right here. Oh shit. No, not going up there. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Damn it, I hear it right there somewhere too. Like, worst case, what's gonna happen, right? Things gonna like flap at my face or something. It's not gonna like peck my eyeballs out or anything. This isn't Alfred Hitchcock shit right here. Okay. I heard it like knocking into shit. Oh, I heard it. Oh yeah, it's up there. Oh, it's a big robin. Hey, buddy. Okay, that's way bigger than I was expecting. Just get out, man. It's more scared of me than I am of it. It is. I know it. At least that's what people say. Alright. God dang it. I wish it was a little further in there. And I'm not 100% sure I know where it is. And where's this thing? No, I can't do this. Man, I'm gonna take so much for this. I'm taking so much for this one. I'll give this bird my man card. I don't give a shit. Where's this thing at? Come on. John's upstairs now doing it. Can't do it. Face your fears, but no, not doing it. Alright. John didn't get him out. But I also haven't heard this thing up here in a while. So, not 100% sure if it's still in here or if he made his way to the exit. I've been changing tires next door, so not 100% sure. This is so dumb. Alright. This is my house, okay? So, I don't see this thing anywhere. Oh my God. I was up on top of this for a while. I don't know. Maybe he flew out. Famous last words. I guess that's it. I don't know. I do know that I'm going to be a little leery walking around up here. And you know, I don't know. I can't tell you why. Maybe I watched, you know, The Birds too many times as a kid. I did see it in that like 3D. This is probably MGM's fault. I did watch it in that 3D theater. Remember that from when we were kids? I don't know if it's still around. That terrified me. I think I'll have to sue MGM for that. Alfred Hitchcock's family and all that kind of stuff, but Bird seems like it's gone now. I swear to God, I'm so strung out right now that if even the slightest thing brushed against me, screaming in tears. That's no.